Hey, this is Gary at Garage Monkey Sawn. I have a 2006 Nissan Frontier and the tailgate is super heavy. So I ordered this accessory called a Tailgate Assist, and basically it's just a gas strut that helps carry the load when you fold down the tailgate. Instructions are pretty good with this kit, pretty straightforward and easy to follow. So the first thing to do is remove the strap, the tailgate strap, and you want to remove that bolt. I think it's a 13mm socket. Basically there's 3 bolts that you have to replace that comes in the kit. This is the first one. I think that's 13mm. And this is the new bolt that comes with the kit. It has the place for the strut and the place for the original strap. And I believe that goes in with a 5mm hex. And then you want to remove another bolt there that holds the tail light on. And I think that's a 10mm. And you just replace it with a Phillips head screw. And my camera is running away because it's on a tripod that has wheels. And you can see it just provides more clearance when you close the tailgate. So this is the bracket. It comes with a nylon bushing.
Alright, so I'm going to use a 14mm on this tailgate part.
And you want to remove the tailgate hinge bolt. I believe that's a 14mm socket. And I think that's a 6mm hex head that replaces it. And now it's just a matter of clipping everything back on. You clip on the gas strut. And on the tailgate end, there's a circlip that clips into the boss there. And basically at this point you're done. They provide a little oil that I use to oil the joints there. And basically these are the 3 bolts that get replaced. I'm just checking the clearance. Everything works. And you can see here how it slowly lowers as I open it. Much better.